Ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School pendeng Yong Mairang haka arpo hunyo tergleber arja arpun rio kalapan hap perdano ya ka annual sports meet arja arpun rio hapadeng ka jing ipo iping mat ka Jingshim Bynta shirham ki kena pulie jong ka teka school. Haka ni kasngi la saki ka jingwan banyadan Bynta Lyngdoh ba Metbah Lyngdoh MLA ka Mairang ubari ru menteri ketenat power water resources ke Sarkar Jilla haringkat ka jingadon lang ka Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi Hills District ka Kong Anita Kharpor u ADC u ba Lyngdoh kiwe ki officer Sarkar u sordar snong lambat ka jingsa ki lang ki kimi ki kipa ki bahayeng ki kena school. Haba jing kran uba Metbah uloong baga Jingshim Bynta ha ki Ïalehkai ka pen I ka Jingshlur baga Jingdon ka Mynsiem Ïakhun ulai Mynsiem ya kitu ki ba klam job da ka baong bakim dai bandu jingkerman bat pen pau ka Jingshania bakum kini ki Ïakhun kin sialam ya ki sha ka Jingjob ha ka Jingim ha ki sngi ki banwan. Shu ha ka dinga sngi la samru ya ki khusnam shi ki khna ki bala wan ba ningkong ba ar bat balai ha ki jat Ïalehkai ba pher nolor ka jingpan ha pradaya ka sports nakaliang ka Deputy Commissioner kalayo ban kapribon ya ka community toilet ya ka bala tay Lyngba ka scheme Swachh Bharat mission.
The number one is the discipline. Second, well-mannered. And the third one is that you will be promoted to another class. I believe that all of you, the students of St. Thomas School, will definitely place your resolve in this order. But when you look around, everyone is trying to change the sequence from 3 to 1, 2 will remain in 2, and the number 1 will become the number 3. I will tell you, until unless you are disciplined, you will not get the number 3. Until unless you are well-mannered, you will not get the number 3. Therefore, in today's world, there are a lot of students who attain the number 3 promotion to another school, to another class, but lack of number 1 and number 2. This is a very sad scenario in the community, even in the school also. But to me, I strongly believe, as this little girl has secured her score to be the first disciplined, most disciplined student in the entire school, a school of about 500 students if I am not mistaken, and secured number 1 also as the most disciplined or well-mannered student in the entire school. And automatically, by default, this student will definitely be promoted to another class. This is what we are lacking now, manner and discipline. Teachers community are facing a lot of problems. How to handle, how to ensure that the students are being brought up in a right way, because students are lacking manner and discipline. But I strongly believe that the students of St. Thomas Higher Secondary School do have all the 3 qualities in their life. That's why I'm so proud to remind all of you that St. Thomas Higher Secondary School has shown and displayed its success story on many occasions. Almost every year, the students from the schools will always stand and come out with flying colors in the top 10, top 20 of the class 10 examination, SSLC, and even in the HSSLC also. This is the result because the students are maintaining the quality of these 3 parameters in their life as a student. I believe that in this last 2-3 days, there are a lot of competitions, there are a lot of races, high jump, so many disciplines that all of you are participating. I'm sure that some of you have reached the position of number 1, number 2, number 3, but others do not. But let me tell you, for those who do not succeed, to be number 1 or number 2 or number 3, I would like to tell you that participation or participating on the ground is one thing which shows the courage that you have to compete with others, and with that competitive spirit you have, you will succeed in life one day. I wish all the very best to those who have done the best in their competition, and I wish all the best for those who could not as well. Practice more and practice wholeheartedly. God gifted talent that you have with you. Make use of it in a very holistic way, and one fine day you will see the light of the day. I once again glad to be a part of this grand closing ceremony of the school sports meet 2026. And I am sure, with no doubt, that the school has achieved this ceremony with great success. And I wish the school all the best. And with the memorandum, once again, I will see today that you are in need of the galleries and so on. Yes, being an MLA for many years in this constituency, I have been to every nooks and corners of the constituencies.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakhun diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.